Hey guys, I'm excited to introduce something that's going to change the game for both seasonal and permanent lighting installers. A brand new innovation from the team here at InvisiLights. Introducing InvisiClips, our patent-pending lineup of all new attachment solutions designed specifically for the InvisiLights permanent lighting system and available exclusively through Lights at Wholesale. There are 7 different clip designs in the InvisiClips product line, each engineered for a different install situation, but they all share one thing in common: premium quality, installer-friendly design, and commercial-grade durability. Before we talk about the difference in the clips, I'll go ahead and give you an overview. Every InvisiClip is made from the same high-quality plastic trusted by professional Christmas light installers across North America. All season, all weather, and built to last year after year. They're designed to work seamlessly with the InvisiLights RGBW puck and offer new versatility that neither traditional seasonal lights nor permanent aluminum tracks can offer. For seasonal installs, these clips are a breakthrough. If you're working with customers under HOA restrictions or those who don't want visible permanent lighting year-round, InvisiClips gives them an affordable, non-permanent solution with the same stunning light shows they expect from InvisiLights. And for price-sensitive customers who want premium quality without the cost of aluminum channel, this is your new secret weapon. InvisiClips are also a major advantage for you, the installer, helping you reach more customers, offer more solutions, and stay competitive in a growing market. When pointed outward, InvisiLights look just like C9 Christmas lights. These install a lot faster than aluminum channel, almost as fast as traditional Christmas lights. The InvisiLights plug-and-play system makes it easy to create perfect strains of lights that don't require any splicing. The InvisiLight system features an easy-to-use app, making customization easy for both you and your customers. Now, let's be clear. Just because these clips offer flexibility and seasonal removability doesn't mean they're a downgrade in quality. These aren't the flimsy, low-cost DIY permanent lighting solutions flooding the market. InvisiClips are made for professionals, and when paired with the InvisiLight system, they deliver the same vibrant brightness and stunning nighttime visibility you'd expect from a traditional aluminum channel install. Your customers get all the impact of a high-end permanent lighting system with more flexibility and less commitment. So let's walk through each product in the new InvisiClips lineup and talk about where, when, and how to use them. Let's talk about the InvisiGutter clip. This one's going to feel very familiar for professional installers. It's similar to the best clips we already carry here at Lights at Wholesale. It sits on top of the gutter or can be installed under aluminum flashing and drip edges with the RGBW puck pointed outwards for maximum brightness. This clip is fast to install, fast to remove, and perfect for customers who want seasonal permanent lighting. Bright, bold displays that go up in the fall and come down after the holidays. Because it points outward instead of down, the gutter clip lights up the street more than it paints the house. It's a bold, traditional Christmas light feel, but with the modern power of InvisiLights. The V2 version of the gutter clip brings a simple but important change. Instead of pointing outwards, this clip aims the RGBW puck downward toward the house. That directional change gives you a painted lighting effect, colorful light displays that accentuate architecture and highlights the home without being overbearing. Just like with the original gutter clip, it can be used on gutters or tucked under shingles if you want the light facing outwards, and it removes just as easily after the season ends. The InvisiClips is designed to attach where the fascia and the soffit meet, common on many residential homes. It features a square-shaped housing that protects the RGBW puck and allows for easy installation and removal year after year. This clip is perfect for customers who want seasonal lighting that can go up in the fall and come down in January. Now keep in mind, this clip won't work on every home, so be sure to check the roof style before choosing this option. Next up, the InvisiEve Pro clip. This clip offers a slimmer, sleeker profile and attaches along the soffit just like the original Eve clip. Its low-profile design keeps it tucked out of sight during the daytime, making it ideal for customers who want year-round lighting without the look of aluminum channel. This has become a popular choice for homeowners who want permanent lighting but want to avoid the added material and labor cost of a full channel install. Many homes feature extended fascia or tile roofs that make standard installs difficult. The Invisi extended fascia and tile clip solves that. allowing you to attach the InvisiLights puck directly under the fascia or attached to tile with a clean, downward-facing install. It's ideal for regions with heavy snow and ice where shingle installs and takedowns can be challenging or risky. It also won't damage paint or wood surfaces, making it a go-to choice for temporary installs on more delicate home exteriors. This InvisiShingle tab is a smart, purpose-built clip designed specifically to grip shingles, securely and without damage. This clip holds the RGBW puck in an outward-facing position, making it ideal for installs where maximum visibility and brightness are the goal. Because it grips shingles directly, it's a great choice for homes where traditional fascia or gutter clips don't apply, giving you another tool in your kit when tackling complex roof lines. Its outward-facing orientation gives a bright, festive look that stands out from the street, making it especially popular for seasonal installs where bold impact is key. Whether you're working with tight shingle angles or just need a clip that offers more grip and flexibility, the InvisiShingle tab delivers secure performance and eye-catching results. And last but not least, the InvisiCommercial clip, our most commercial-focused attachment. Designed with large commercial rooflines in mind, this tab uses 3M adhesive that lasts for years. It makes permanent lighting a no-brainer for businesses that want professional-grade installs without structural modification or high install labor costs. The commercial clips can also be pointed outward to face the street. With the InvisiCommercial clip, you can offer reliable, sleek installs to the commercial clients who've been on the fence until now. At InvisiLights and Lights at Wholesale, we're committed to innovation, and every one of these new InvisiClips was built based on feedback from professional installers like you. We know your challenges, we understand your customers, and we're here to help you succeed. The InvisiClips product line opens the door for more options, more sales, and more satisfied customers, without sacrificing quality or performance. So we're proud to bring this to the market and excited to see how you'll use it to grow your business. Thank you for being part of the InvisiLights family, and as always, happy installing.